So here is a quick update on the previous print. Actually, it came out really good. See the layer lines. It's actually quite uniform. So the problem I was thinking about the Z axis, I think it's resolved now. I have adjusted some rollers, so I think it's now okay. See the print? It's looking great. The filament also is like it's a bit transparent. See, this one was a filament. It's a bit transparent. It's a PLA Pro Plus from wol3d. So these are the guys. Yeah, it's good. But this was not the color I was expecting, but it's fine. The print came out to be really good. So happy. Now I have started printing on another one. Same PLA Pro Plus grey, silver grey, I think. So let's wait for the result. Okay.